Hello, this is Cynthia Fick, and this is the April 21st stock market update. Well, a few weeks ago, we had said that we were looking for some sort of confirmation that that initial rally we'd had was going to have legs and might be doing better. It looks like we may have been getting confirmations over the last couple of weeks. Going to keep this short and sweet and just focus on a few of the things that happen that make it look like things might get better and continue to get better in the stock market. The first one being that we've flipped from oversold, way oversold on stocks to way overbought in stocks, meaning a lot of people coming in the market. It's only happened one other year since 1950 this quickly, and that was in 1982. So we've had a big shift in money coming into the market, maybe even have made it a little overbought. The next thing is the volatility index. It's called the VIX, and it's dropped 38%. Big seventh biggest decline in market history. So another big shift that's happening, just meaning a lot of volatility has come out of the market. The next thing, semiconductor index has had its best performance over the last 10 days since the 1990s. So a lot of positives. Let me show you one other chart I think is pretty telling also. So you can see it happened in mid 1980s. Then again, 2020, after we had the big, COVID V-shaped recovery, and then it just happened last week. So super potentially bullish. Again, that doesn't mean we won't have a pullback. Things won't change, but it's looking much brighter to that effect. You may find some of you who are newer to us and have cash, we're going to slowly start going into the market, maybe dollar cost averaging into the market. And for those of you that earlier in the year we raised a little cash, you may start finding that deployed. And that is as we see new leaders start to break out new sectors, new stocks, start to break out and show us that they want to continue to go up. So that's all we have for today, and we'll be talking to you next week. Bye-bye.